Let's see. That's a legitimate radish. So, we're gonna clean up this area of the garden, and then we're gonna gorilla plant some radishes. Over there in the corner, we actually had some carrots grow that we accidentally planted. So we wanna see what happens with the radishes. So here's some soil. We're gonna put that down, and you're gonna see Bunny here try to eat it very soon, because every time we use this soil, she likes to try to eat it. Apparently it's pretty good. Ah, there we go. There she is. Directly after it. Found her piece. Yep, there we go. Bunny, stop eating that. That's what I would have said there if you could hear me. So, just gonna lay down this thin layer of soil, throw down some radish seeds, and then throw down another thinner layer of soil on top of that, and water it in, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, this is gonna be some gorilla planting. I'm just gonna sprinkle the seeds on there. I don't really care where they end up and how many pop up. I'm just gonna see what happens. It's a pure experiment and pure curiosity, and we'll see how many of them Bunny digs up before they actually sprout. So let's sprinkle a little more soil on top of this. We'll speed that up so you don't have to watch every second of it and listen to more of my voiceovers for too long. I do appreciate it though. Happy you're here. Thanks for hanging out. So, water this in, get it nice and wet, make sure everything's happy. And then, over here, where we planted the radishes, Bunny ran through here, and I see a couple of them are starting to pop up. I think she accidentally dug a couple of them up, but I think we're gonna see some sprouts in the next day or so. Oh, and don't forget about all of the itty bitty little radishes coming in from our gorilla planting experiment. Yeah, get those nice and good. Update on the gorilla planting of the radishes. There are lots of them that have popped up. And Bunny has only destroyed about 10% of them so far. Not bad. Oh baby, the radishes are getting close. This one might even be ready. Let's pull it. Let's see. That's a legitimate radish. Wow. That only took a few weeks. All these are radishes. Awesome. Let's go give it to the wife. Got you a present, honey. Wow. That's a nice one. Is it good?
Sounds good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, I guess I gotta try it too.
Oh, it's spicy.
Is it a spicy one?
Oh, it's spicy. Oh my gosh.
Okay, here we go.
Got it.
Whoa. That is a spicy one.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not just a crybaby.
Awesome. What's up? You want to try radish? I don't think you like it. I don't think you like it, Bonbon.
I don't like it that much either one. Is really just.
I think it needs to be mixed with things to cool that down a little bit. Good though. All right. Oh. This one's weird. This one ended up going to flower. Pretty though. Oh, it's just a little baby. A little baby. Oh, there's another. Ow, look. That one's got some thorns on it, man. Jesus. Oh, this one's been being eaten. Bonnie, hello. Das reicht jetzt bitte. Bonnie. Nein. Somebody's got some fucking thorns on them. It's not very fun. That's a nice one. That one's very nice. Oh, not that nice. Also been eaten. Damn, man. Girls, you're so barky. I think this one looks pretty good. There we go. That's a much nicer one. Any more good ones? Any more good ones? Nope. I think we're just getting about 5 today. Not bad.